Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iFactioners learning video tutorials, and in today's video tutorial we will talk about genders in Urdu. When we use different sentences for a male person and female person, then we use slightly different words for male and for female. So let's start our lesson and let's take few examples. For example, in English we say I read. I read. So in Urdu, if I'm a male person, then I will say मैं पढ़ता हूँ. मैं पढ़ता हूँ. But if I'm a female, then I would say it like this. मैं पढ़ती हूँ. So you see that for male we say ta, पढ़ता, and for female we use ती, usually use ती. मैं पढ़ता हूँ, मैं पढ़ती हूँ. Let's take another example. I sing. So for male I will write or I will say मैं गाता हूँ. And for female I would say मैं, yeah, you are right, गाती हूँ. Just like पढ़ता हूँ and पढ़ती हूँ, we use गाता and गाती. गाना is a verb, and here for male we use गाता हूँ, for female we use गाती हूँ. And पढ़ना is a verb. For male we use ta, पढ़ता, and for female we use ती, पढ़ती. मैं पढ़ता हूँ, मैं पढ़ती हूँ. Let's take another example. I write. For male we would say मैं लिखता हूँ. Here we are using the verb लिखना. लिखना. For female we write and we say मैं लिखती हूँ. So you would have noticed that we use ta for male and ती for female. मैं लिखता हूँ, मैं लिखती हूँ. मैं गाता हूँ, मैं गाती हूँ. ता, ती. पढ़ता हूँ, ता, पढ़ती हूँ. ती. So you have to just remember that usually we add ta for male and ती for female. Let's take example with other pronouns. वो सोता है. He sleeps. Let's suppose if we say he sleeps. So in Urdu we will say, and sona is the verb. He sleeps. वो सोता है. And if we want to write she sleeps, then we would write वो सोती है. So you would have noticed that here we have used ta and here we have used ti. वो सोता है, वो सोती है. Similarly, let's suppose we say they go. For male people, we would write it like this. Go is a verb for jana. Jana is the main verb. So for male, we would write वो जाते हैं. So if we are using the word for plural, then we say te. We add te. And जाता है one person. वो जाते हैं. For more than one person, we use हैं. हे, ये, नूना हैं. And if we are talking about female, then we say वो जाती हैं. वो जाते हैं and वो जाती हैं. ते, ती. Let's take another example. They fight. Main verb is लड़ना. लड़ना means to fight. For male, we use वो लड़ते हैं. And if you are talking about a male and a female or a group of people which involve male and female, then we would use the male version. वो लड़ते हैं. And if you are only talking about female, then we will write and say वो लड़ती हैं. ते, ती. So you should know the stem of the verb and then you can just add te, ti for male and female for plural and ta and ti for singular persons. Now let's say we want to talk about you. You eat. The verb is khana. Now there are two versions for you eat. One is if you are talking to an older person, then out of respect we will write and say आप खाते हैं for male and आप खाती हैं for female. So here we have just added te and ti. But if you are my friend, then or we are colleagues or we are of the same age group or if we are talking to our subordinate, then we will say tum to a younger person or for in informal environment. तुम खाते हो and तुम खाती हो. So you would have noticed that instead of आप we use तुम and आप खाते हैं we had used आप खाते हैं. And similarly for female we have used आप खाती हैं. So where for informal environment we use तुम and हो. तुम and ho, and the verb changes te or ti. Let's suppose we, they, he, she. We just want to say हम खाते हैं. Let's suppose हम for we. हम सीखते हैं. We learn. We learn. So how do we write and speak in Urdu? For male persons we say we learn. हम. And here the verb is सीखना. सीखना. For male I would write हम सीखते हैं. And for female I would write हम सीखती हैं. So we have used the same thing or the same rule te and ti. And if we are a group of people including male and female, then we would use this version. हम सीखते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me for this tutorial. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comments section. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you can also share this video, its link on social media websites. Thank you very much. We will meet another time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.